video ayehu Emma ya be hu se yesi enra na nka Moesha koku ne ho
meteye
na se Moesha koku ne ho detia na police fo enya ache ye hu video no koku ne ho ne de but ye no press Moesha ye se koku ne ho de na se watomra e se police channel ye bi kai e se o attempted suicide na ensia ese police check police meeting we are ese ya dey woman psychologist na ya manage o psychic come here say some behavior traits of Moesha Budon Tetiano me dey me hu me say onyanya mental disorder
sure sa na me kura me yesusu
because when you mental disorder okasa esi so okan sama entasu eti ese na yese ni dini abua na bu shefo against our Kristo madam bi eni ni edi mo fa Kristo ye ho na the laptop odi ejuma ya da se na wo for this market on dari 3 days na kama to si wa Kristo na jare bebre no e man Yankopon fa aponi enchew e na ma na obo no Yako muko dare no. Wani adum aye yama. Eke bi so fun so wata. Kristo na ya famu dan mo sa wa hu yanda ba onya te ye bebe no. Ese anyama o se ke no ano. Bebere ni a criminal offense. Se e ma oni o ma me ma ni o ma dan. Ohu se wa ye boni kese. Ebi mu kwa ye ni o mo ko ga ye no. It's a criminal statement. Moesha Budon says, "See what for Kristo nchiro." And Pamagro on the bio, kosi timer of the worry. One shall be done in the Abama. As an encoye mano. 30 dimensional. And to the woman said, "Women suspect said, signs are Moesha and shown. It's likely said, only a classical conditioner. About falling under depression. And a depression, so a mental disorder. And so, here we show for M1. Moesha is depressed. Depression is anger turned upside down, which is part of the mental disorders. So, she might be experiencing one form of the mental disorder. And she is young woman.
And she now unjin di ankasa se a sasan was a son. Name will be Biancasa and Hanu.
I think I put one to say, I'm going to say. A Kobana said, Nipa da Senifa Christo said, the Clarin Agenkwa. Natarian son. Meridian was a son. Netoan is a son. A Yakumemo share on this Christo also. A media made out to say Moesha. While repenting.
Dabi, Council, what the Mamina correction or Hanomo? On say, won't say be an enemy obia, may your Corin send in a say, Messema for Christo. Now the council, Messamba, a Jumha, no Mabuse Tama. Na msema sasa die ne be dia dance sama fa Kristo
no kra obi ye ko wi say no fa Kristo ene de bia no jai isano ene de bia no jai isano
enti yenhwe kansati
obakusu David tobo obetumi akusu e chansa ne kakran kakran sita manyankopon kasa ne mere deba na so fa Kristo
anti
Kristo fa no Kristo fa na say he careful nyankopon fa hihye bia nto ho Bible ne hihye ya de fa Kristo ne say or see, if you believe in your heart, confess with your mouth that Christ died and the third day he rose again, you are brought from light, you are brought from darkness into his light. You are saved.
Mami nchira umu. Mami nchira umu kakra.
So can still see Christ, even though you see her in some places.
Dia wo kanu dia metima kan say won say musi obi sesa ne niema ne ye bia wa musi ataoba de ni say wiyi wo ni ade enti no dia wo kan say aye too early say ase abantam kana o pese nyen kakra
and na make say the pressure of yen asofo any asori maybe ayen tinya mesumate no ye no se ba bia ye see o sesa say na say oye but enya no kura sa wo Bible mu Nyankopɔn ka obi no sesa obetuma bo adwaman obesuya kusu abo adwaman no na so asesa eya oni nyame ntam oba na odi agruwam abebu Kristo na ase no sika na odi to agruwam no eya show poster na so Kristo dey
okay it is a say we
Kristo tie no any a say so onwe de na Kristo manage eti enya careful yes ka ho bi na ma Moesha ye de oye no ya set standard near Moesha only as a new Christian. There is nothing like that in the Bible. All things are passed away. Behold, you are new creation, a spiritual exercise, and not physical change. So we shouldn't put pressure on Moesha. Say, what is that there? I said the 2 year Ketua. There was a there. Let me who saw your show you. No, it's not true.
Now, when you're interested,
one of the signs.
The Range Rover and our tongue.
Or Tony Range Rover to you. This is, yeah. Or no, a sort of car. But you are who Christo. And also, you wait over there. Your car actually is who Christo. And do it near. It will be part of the depression. Because, say, only a shower at the shop. Who Christo. Oh, don't fear.
Mepacho o kan se ebisi wo chiro ni mu e mo se se medie mpo azanji obi ade a obo ho enti wo ton no de Nyankopon adwuma eno ye de mo nhade ababeto edwa eno no Zakio ne kan sa asemu wo chiro ni mu
eno ye immaturity in the way say over Christo here or see teach them, or see when they accept, teach them. And they teach them. As soft when they're paying in church, you say, I be a very okay what you say. Oh, young church, nothing I'm shown up here. The one six a human up here over some point. And the one saying, yes, on Tony Japa here. Oh, yes, over to Tony Yama, or you just see a show. And son of a Christian, and you know, credit.
Okay, and ya my for we intro na ya ma prophet Beduko bi so na ja ya nya mpega yemu na na mini di manya ansam dem ye konkonsan intimate asema na mabisa o mo nsha abeto dwa se wanya be ma bi opese o ware no na be ma ne papa ye sofo be ma ne ye Kristo ni nti won sesa na eja wontimi nware no bebre so se anu nti na ese wo ye ne ho sa wo wadwe nkire ene se
ye ni di komo ba se na ochi me fane na ni komo ni di ye no wan kase be ma ne papa ye sofo nti enna enya no kure onu Moesha na osi wa hu Kristo mo na wo kuru papa e sofo a na do kuru sofo kuru papa e sofo a usu e sofo so foni ya de yede sofo ba wa ni di ni ba e ba ni a cho no sofo wa o ti bi wa ni di ni ba a sanse foni ya ka ye njai can you go to say when the summer the dane and Shebi I'm a microphone to me all former court also Yami the Fremo Moesha and my baby not the money a Christian not a so why Moesha of Uzobia so Moesha pa on someone who Mama on to some my bema it's also some bema who actually
Mate we dey mate me da se wano ho na se dey emfa we ntwa to